Let me tell you a quick story. I kept hearing people talk about this product, and at first I didn't pay much attention, but the reviews kept popping up, so I finally clicked the link, the same one you'll find in the description. And honestly, I was shocked in the best way. The performance is smooth from the very first use. The design feels well made and thoughtful, and everything is incredibly easy to navigate, even if it's your first time. The biggest surprise for me was how much better it was than I expected. It's rare to find something that actually delivers more than it promises, but this one does. So if you're